Hey there, time travelers in training. Today, we're going on a thrilling adventure with time adverbs, the magical words that can transport your sentences to different moments in the blink of an eye. Buckle up for a journey through the past, present, and future of storytelling. What are time adverbs, I hear you ask? Time adverbs are special words that tell us when an action happens. They're like time machines for your sentences, helping you take your readers or listeners on an exciting journey through time. Now, here's the cool part. You can use time adverbs to kickstart your sentences and make them super awesome. Instead of always starting with the same old words, time adverbs let you mix things up and paint pictures with your words. Imagine you're telling a story about something you did. Now, add a time adverb to the beginning of your sentence to describe when you did it. Let's try a time travel together. Instead of I played in the park, try yesterday, I played in the park. Instead of she danced, try later, she danced. See how the time adverbs, yesterday and later, turn your sentences into time-traveling tales? It's like giving your words a magical time twist. You can even turn your time words into time phrases. Instead of yesterday, I played in the park. Try yesterday, after it stopped raining, I played in the park. Instead of later, she danced. Try later, when the sun had gone down, she danced. There are so very many words to be found in the Time Traveler's Toolkit, Time Adverbs Edition. Here are some fantastic time adverbs to kickstart your time-traveling sentences: yesterday, today, tomorrow, soon, later, now, before, after, always, never, early, and then there's daily, and meanwhile, and then weekly, and fortnightly, and monthly, and immediately, and usually, and next, and nowadays, and previously, and suddenly, and eventually, and earlier, and so many more. So much time-traveling adverb goodness. Why use time adverbs, I hear you ask? Using time adverbs is like putting on a time-traveling cape for your sentences. It helps your readers or listeners imagine when your story is happening and adds a touch of wonder to your words. It's not just a dance, it's a dance that happened in a magical moment in time. Remember the time loop spell, my time-traveling friends. While time adverbs can make your sentences extra exciting, be careful not to use them too much. Like all time-traveling adventures, balance is key. Use them wisely, and your stories will be timeless. So my little time travelers, are you ready to embark on your own time-twisting tales? Grab your imaginary time machines and let your sentences soar through the ages with the magic of time adverbs. Go on, off you go now, and do delicious time-traveling adverb sentence starters at the start of your sentences. Have fun everyone, and see you next time in Learner Land.